Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. In this video, we're going to be making a napkin holder, so stay tuned. I am going to cut and clamp this wood and leave it overnight to dry. I applied the glue, tighten the clamps, and leave it to set. I remove the clamps and use a chisel to clean the excess glue before sanding. I use the 80 grit sandpaper to remove the remaining glue and smooth the surface. I made a clean cut on one edge, then I measure and cut the other side to the actual width of the base. I measured and drew the guidelines for the dowels. I use the Forstner bit to partially drill through the base. This way I'll be able to secure the dowel from the bottom with a screw. I use a 1/8 bit to drill a pilot hole, then use a countersink bit on the bottom side. I clamp the base to the workbench, then round over the edges. Now it's time to make the holding bar. I measured and ripped a piece of wood, and then I trimmed one edge, then copied the measurement and made the final cut. I measured and drew the guidelines to drill the holes on the holding bar. I carefully drilled the two holes while trying to avoid a tear out on the other side. I clamped the holding bar to the bench and round over the top part. Now it's time to make the poles, so I measure and cut the two dowels. I did a test fit, then moved on to sanding with 120 grit sandpaper. I drilled two pilot holes into the dowels. I wanted to reduce the chance of a split. I applied some wood glue, then secured the dowels with screws. I made sure the dowels were square and did a test fit to make sure the holding bar is working correctly. And now I'm going to apply 1 coat of Jacobean stain. After the stain dried, I apply 1 coat of polyurethane spray. This is what it looks like when everything is done. And that's it for this one. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you wish to see more build like this, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.